Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Pinterest with your email and password. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Pinterest app on your device. On the login page, enter your email address linked to your Pinterest account. You can log in using Facebook and Google as well, but we will be using our email address in this video. So tap Continue. Next, enter your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgotten Password to reset your password. When done, tap Login. And that's how you log in to Pinterest with email address and password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.